In this video, you will learn how to send an email of an invoice to its customer with different statuses on Blixo, including draft, outstanding, past due, paid, bad debt, and broken promise. Now let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. Locate the invoice for which you wish to send an invoice to the customer. It can be in any status, including draft, outstanding, past due, paid, bad debt, or broken promise. For this demonstration, I'll use an invoice from the Outstanding section as an example. Click on the invoice ID of your chosen invoice. This will bring you to the Invoice Details page. From there, click the More button and select Send Invoice. The Send Invoice screen will then appear. If you want to send the email to an additional contact, you can add them by clicking the +Add Contact button. If the customer doesn't have an email address listed, you can add one by clicking the Edit Customer button. To send a blind carbon copy, BCC, you can either input the email address directly or click on the Send a Copy to Me text. The subject and message fields will already be populated with the default template. You can either edit them directly or customize them further in the Email Template section. To choose a different email template, click on the drop-down list and select the desired template. Click on the Cancel button to abort the process, or click on the Send button to send the email. Congratulations! You've just sent an invoice to its customer in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.